Welcome everyone. Today we are performing a lab activity for basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem? In short, BPT or Thales theorem. It says in a triangle PQR, if a line DE is drawn parallel to one side QR, then the other two sides PQ and PR are divided in the same ratio. Let's start the activity to prove it. At first, I have taken a triangle and this is a right triangle. Let's name it PQR, right angled at Q. Now draw a line DE parallel to QR. These arrows indicate that DE is parallel to QR. Let's write in triangle PQR, DE is parallel to QR, then the ratio of PD and DQ, let's find their ratio. Here PD is 4 units and DQ is also 4 units. So their ratio is 1. Let's calculate ratio of PE and ER. This is the midpoint of PE and this is the midpoint of ER. So PE upon ER is equal to 1 unit, 2 units, and again, so we can write 2 by 2 equals to 1. Now we can say, therefore, the ratio of PD and DQ is equal to the ratio of PE and ER. If I draw a line parallel to QR somewhere here, let's name this line GH. Then in triangle PQR, if GH is parallel to QR, then let's find the ratio of PG to GQ. Here PG is 6 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and GQ is 2 units and their ratio is 3:1. Let's find out ratio of PH and HR. We can see PH has 3 equal units or 3 equal parts and HR has 1 equal part. So the ratio is 3:1. Name this equation as 1 and this is 2. From equation 1 and 2 we observe that the ratio of PG and GQ is equal to the ratio of PH and HR. Let's repeat this activity for an acute triangle PQR. This is triangle PQR. Draw a line DE parallel to QR. Now in triangle PQR, DE is parallel to QR. Now let's find the ratio of PD and DQ. We can see 4 equal parts between PQ. Similarly, we can see points which are dividing the line PR into 4 equal parts. The ratio of PD and DQ is equal to, this is 1 part, this is also total 3 parts. 1 by 3 and here the ratio of PE and ER is also, this is one part and these are 1, 2, 3, total 3 equal parts, 1 by 3. Let's name it equation 1, this is equation 2. From 1 and 2 we observe that PD by DQ is equal to PE by ER. Let's do the same activity for an obtuse triangle. Here I have drawn an obtuse triangle. The name of the triangle is PQR. Now I am drawing a line DE parallel to QR. Here you can see PQ line segment is divided into 6 equal parts. And line segment PR is divided into 4 equal parts. You can see all the points which are dividing PR into 4 equal parts. In triangle PQR, if DE is parallel to QR, let's see the ratio of PD and DQ. PD we can see has 3 equal parts and DQ also has 3 equal parts. So the ratio of these parts is 3:3 or is equal to 1. Let's find the ratio of PE and ER. We can see PE has 2 equal parts and ER also has 2 equal parts. So the ratio is 1. PR has total 4 equal parts and E is the midpoint of PR. So we can say PD ratio DQ is equal to PE ratio ER. And here we have observation table of the activity. Thank you for watching and keep on learning. Please do subscribe the channel.